Alright, just watched the footage of me working on the car yesterday. I did not record me pulling the vehicle from this tree yesterday. I used a chain puller or fence puller, and I used this tie down, tied the tie down around the tree, and used the chain puller to pull this out, remove the bumper, remove the headlight. So now with the hood and everything is lining up correctly. Oh dang, I have it locked and I have my key inside the Durango. Um, but yeah, I forgot to show that yesterday. But yeah, everything is all lined up. We're gonna go back to the junkyard because my buddy's working on his car and he broke a bolt or two from the water pump housing. So we're gonna go retrieve that, and I'm gonna just go back and find little miscellaneous things. I need these little caps. I need this cap here. Um, Trying to just look around real quick to see what else might need. But I think that's it. So we're gonna get going to the junkyard right now. It is about 7:30 in the morning. Try to be there before everybody else is because there's 40% sale going on today, and it gets packed. So let's get going. And we are here at the junkyard. He's gonna go look for some bolts that he needs for his car, and I'm gonna go look for, I don't know, all the little miscellaneous stuff that I need for my car. That should be fast. It's cold as fuck though. I think flying the drone in here would be fun.
It will. It will interesting. Actually, this thing going on the drone,
Yep.
passing by for a person, he's
Yep.
going to be like, what the fuck?
Yep. I think it'll be fun flying the drone here. That look clean?
Fuck, man. Oh, man.
Oh, the shit you were after is broken.
Yeah. So that shit broke all the time.
Well, let's go look for what I need to look for. Damn, check out this thing. That shit is crazy. I hear where cars come to die. We get Fa5 right here. Damn. We didn't have the proper tools to get the bolts that he needed for the BMR. So we're here at Tractor Supply trying to find something. If not, we're gonna get back to it. Alright, so I got some bumper guards for the front. These right here. So I took that thing off, and I didn't notice the other one was broken. I just noticed this one was missing. I should have got this one, but when I buy the bumper and everything, I'm gonna just buy a new set. So yeah, it's coming out pretty dang clean now. No more of that. No more stickers. I try to remove all the white paint as much as I possibly could. Right now what I'm doing is I'm removing the rear spoiler so I could install the Mugan one. Shit. And that's what I'm doing right now. So we will see how it looks. One last final look, I think, before I take it off. And then we will see how it looks. And there it is. The original wing is off. Sweet. Put this away in storage. We'll get that Mugan wing out. And let's see how we're going to mock this sucker up. Sweet. And there it is. There's the rear wing in the back. I've always liked it for the 4 doors. What I'm thinking of doing is cutting the original wing so it kind of fit in here. I don't know if that might be possible, but sure would like to give it a try. I mean, I'm not going to use the wing anymore, so I figured maybe I cut it, and that'll be dope if I can make it mold into it. That'll be sick, because then I'll have my third light and I won't have those holes on top. I'm probably going to give that a try. We will see. It is going to be a little bit difficult because it is tapered here. It has a nice taper coming downwards. Um, so I don't know, but as of now, everything looks lined up correctly. I did have to make holes for the rear mounts on this one. I did have to make holes for this one here. I was thinking of making this a little bit forward so I could cover up those holes, but I really like how it looks closer towards the end. Yeah, sweet. I'm gonna do the rear or the front speakers next, and then possibly the headliner. That's gonna be fun. Heck yeah, it is coming together though. All right, so I think I pretty much done everything I can. I brightened up the SI badges. I have a tire marker that's red. I love it. It just does fantastic, phenomenal job on the SI. I fixed the speakers on the doors. So now I have sound coming from the speakers. We installed this rear wing. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Fixed the front bumper. It is coming together, honestly. I love it. Sweet. That will do it for now. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so I started working on the engine a little bit. This is all loose. I lifted up the engine right now, and I have it supported with a jack. And this had a bolt missing down here, so I added this bolt. This bolt here, I tried to extract, and I could not extract for the life of me. So I just tightened it down as much as I could. We're gonna call that good. So this is good now. This did not have a bolt here, 2 bolts, so I put a bolt here, but this is not lining up, so I'm making this a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna see if maybe my bolt will fit now. I have no idea where the heck I left it at, but I'm gonna see if that bolt fits. Made it a little bit bigger, and then looking for that bolt. We will see what's up. And here it is hiding. Alright, so looks like maybe I need to give it a little bit more to kind of even itself out. Yeah, you can see it. It is not even. So that's what I'm doing, and then from there I think I'll stop from there. I basically, everything I've done, put this on here, I straightened this out, I added this new one, we fixed this was replaced, and then we don't need this one, this one's already there. And then I fixed this battery bracket. Everything is clearing now. There was zip ties here holding everything into place. That's fixed. There was red tape on this intake because the little things, the plastic things that are holding the pipe are breaking already. So I just put black tape to kind of hold it together, and then that to do that. Put this bracket on here, and put a screw on here. I removed those things, took all the stickers off, took all the paint off. I cleared out the headlights a little bit. This one's damaged from the inside. I put on this grill to kind of finish up the front bumper because it was missing the emblem and stuff. This one I did not notice it's broken, so I just put a screw there, but I wish I did, so I would have got that from the junkyard. Next time. We put the Mugan wing in the back. I polished out the tail lights as well. I replaced the badge. I think that's, I put these little mirror things. Exterior wise, I think that's it. Interior wise, the whole interior has been done up. I put on my radio. These speakers weren't working, so I started the connections and I noticed the speakers weren't working, so I replaced those speakers with the FG2 speakers that I had. Short shifters on there from Nonstop Tuning from the FG2. The shift knob from Merc Racing is on there from the FG2. The Acuity shifter bushings are on there from the FG2. The e-brake's on there from the FG2. This badge is on here from the FG2. This is on here from the FG2. This is on here from the FG2. That's on here from the FG2. That's on here from the FG2. That's brand new. These visors are on here from the FG2. The LED lights are from the FG2. Yeah, I cleaned the shit out of the seats. The badge right here, the Civic Si badge, is from the FG2. The Flash Pro's from the FG2. This button right here, the Type R button, is from the FG2. Yep. All the mats are from the FG2. I'm telling you, bro, the FG2 is gonna live on in this vehicle here. I took off the ECU bracket from the FG2. I have it down there. Just because I don't know if this is going to be in my way later on when I put the supercharger. It looks like it will. Fixed the radiators fans because they were hitting on this battery bracket. It's broken down here. Really can't see it, but it is broken down there. Give me back my arm. And yeah, now I'm just fixing this mount here. I'm not able to take off the wheels because I need to find lug nuts for these. These are special. They're either too big or too small for my sockets, which is crazy. Oh shoot, this one's broken here. Yeah, this thing still needs a lot of freaking work. Holy crap, they put weights on top of weights. Slowly but surely, she will come back to life. All right, and I guess that will definitely do it for now. I'm gonna just finish this up, and I've just been all over the place with this car. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.